Quick check of futures. It's Friday morning, heading into the weekend, and I see the Dow down. Not much change. Waiting for the PCE report. Ryan Payne with me this morning. Look, we get that PCE report in just under an hour. Here's how I see it.
Yes.
If the inflation rate in the past year is 2.8% or less, then rates go down. The Fed lowers rates. If the PCE says the inflation rate is 2.8% or higher, then maybe there'll be no change in rates. What do you see?
Well, definitely maybe right there. I don't know if that's quite the case. I think if it even becomes a little bit hotter, like Kevin's saying here, I don't think that's that big a deal. It's a September number. It's very stale. We already know that inflation's around 3%. And I think the Fed's a little more focused on the employment market, which, you know, you're getting no hiring, but you're getting no firing at the same time. So that's kind of where the gray area is. I'm kind of with Kevin here. I don't think they should cut, but with like 90% odds almost that they're going to cut next week, they probably are. Then couple that with the fact next year you'll probably have a new Fed chair who's probably going to be more, let's say, Trump friendly. You know, I think you'll probably see another 2 rate cuts next year come, you know, after May once we see that replacement in there, which, you know, is probably highly likely here.
Well, the market would like that, but they would not like it if there was no dropping of rates, if they maintain rates at this level.
You know, I don't know. I mean, the economy is running hot. I mean, we're at 4% GDP already, so I don't know if it's necessary. My bigger fear is if we cut rates, you overheat the economy, which is already heating up. So the Fed, as usual, might look foolish in retrospect.
Well, one quick one.
Yeah.
Has Google moved ahead of NVIDIA in the AI race?
I think they have incrementally because now they're using their own, you know, chips as opposed to using NVIDIA's, which don't get me wrong, NVIDIA still has 80% of the market, but the fact that you can have competitors in there where they, you know, also Meta said they will use Google's chips as well. You're also seeing large language models, like you're seeing a change in the lead there. Gemini's now the best one apparently. Next month it could be Anthropic. So I think the point is there's lots of competition, and when you're NVIDIA, you have 80% of the market share. In the U.S., that doesn't last very long because everybody's looking to take that market share. So this is just a reminder, creative destruction's around the corner. And this is one of the reasons why you can't really predict ahead of time where's the best place going to be. That's why you want to diversify. And also, with rates coming down, so many other places to put your money right now. Financials, utilities, REITs, and you're getting like a 3-4% dividend on all those different sectors. So it's like, diversify your money, man. Don't put it all in one place.
Okay, I've learned that lesson many times, right? Thanks very much, Ryan.
Great, thank you.